Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be starting the rust repairs around my windscreen and down the A-pillars. So if you remember from a while back, I had a bit of a water leak in the front of the cab. Well, I've still got that water leak. Oh dear, it's worse than it's ever been before. It's absolutely full of water in the front here. Luckily I've got this paint down to protect the floor, but still it's leaking. So I can see it's coming from under here. It's coming from under here. So I'm going to take the headlining out and see if I can find out where it's coming from. Right, so we've got the headlining out, and I think I can see at the bottom of the windscreen down here, that there is wet. So I'm going to be trying to remove the windscreen and sorting out the rust that's developed behind the windscreen, and hopefully that will stop the water leak. I'm just going to take the windscreen wipers off. I'm going to remove this scuttle panel. So as you can see, all these little rust bubbles coming up on my A-pillars. It's not looking good. So I'm going to remove this rubber strip from around the windscreen. Get that out of the way. I'm also going to take off my new door seals, so then I won't be damaging them when I repair these A-pillars. Looks like I might be able to remove it in one piece. All this rust looks like it's very loose. Oh, that's crunchy. I'm gonna wish I didn't start this, aren't I? Right, before I go any further, I'm just going to put this bonnet bra on it, just to protect the paint work, and obviously when I'm grinding out whatever's underneath this windscreen, I don't want it going, all the sparks going on the bodywork, because that would just make it rust. So So here I've got a block of wood, and I've just put a guitar string through here, tied it up, and now I can poke this through the windscreen and then connect my other one up inside the van, and then hopefully with a bit of help from someone, if I can find a friend, then I should be able to get the windscreen out with this. Halfway. You got somewhere you can put this screen? Did you get some plastic for it? Plastic? To go over the... No. So what are you going to put over the... I've got a tarpaulin in there. I'm working on it tomorrow anyway. It's going to take you more than tomorrow to do it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, right. Now mind them metal prongy bits, your windscreen wipers. Right, don't struggle, don't struggle. There you go, disconnected. Oh, this is weird. Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to be grinding all this rust back and seeing if I've actually got any solid metal here to work with. I know lots of you have said before about me having a guard on this grinder. This wire wheel is actually bigger than the grinder guard, so you can't use it with the guard. And it gets in the way personally. I think it's more dangerous having it on there. Okay, I've got my grinding disc now. And I'm just going to grind all this old metal off back to the nice bit underneath. So let me just show you what we're doing. So here we can see I'm just taking off this outer skin bit, and then I'm going to weld in a corner piece with new metal all the way up here, because this metal underneath the A-pillars are right. And that corner needs some attention as well. And above the windscreen there. Wow, this is going to be a big job. I've got rid of as much of the rust underneath it as I can. I'm going to now paint this with rust converter. Yeah, I've just painted all this inner edge with Vactan rust converter. There's not much rust there on the inside edge, and that's what I'll be welding to. I've cut these slots in it so that I can get the curvature of this A-pillar. I've cleaned up these edges and I'm going to weld this on the corner there all the way down. I'm going to do a few spot welds in here and then weld these joins up. Looking a bit better. Maybe get some fiberglass filler for the A-pillars, and then hopefully I won't have to worry about the rust so much. That's the same on this side. Just as rusty. You see this edge is actually alright. So I can weld up to that, and then I'll have to sort out the A-pillars a bit later.